Hello and welcome to another update video on PENGU. PENGU has perfectly followed the roadmap we defined in our Sunday community live session. Every Sunday, for those of you who don't know, we cover a lot of different charts. Some of the better setups are also covered there. Some of you guys in the community suggest charts, and sometimes we find 5-wave movements. Yeah, we're basically working through the mess in these sessions together. And PENGU was one of the better setups, right? The 1-2 setup we defined here. And yeah, we already saw this 5th wave to the upside had formed when we ran our session, and therefore the idea was that this week we could get a pullback in a wave 2. And yep, the price dipped into this wave 2 support zone indeed, and reacted nicely exactly to the 50% retracement. So one of our members asked me today on Discord if it's possible that wave 2 has bottomed now, and indeed the answer is of course yes, because anything is possible, but also, I mean, is it probable? You know, I'm skeptical until we finally see a breakout above this high, which is the wave 1 high that actually formed on Sunday. And that's located at 3.4 cents. I mean, this is the ideal breakout point, the next breakout point, but obviously more work is needed, right? I mean, what a third wave should do then is to get at least to the 138% extension, just adjusting here to local targets. And that level is at 4.3 cents. Now, that would be the first ideal target, you know? And then we'll have to see how it extends. Extensions are possible. For now, we'll see if it can fill in the next sequence of the next 5-wave pattern. So you see there's a long way to go. Reward to risk ratio for this setup was very, very favorable. The invalidation point remains the same. It's at the 26th of September low, and it's playing out. We had a 5-wave move up and a 3-wave move down. Now, I have to say I'm not impressed by the length of that 5th wave. It was quite short. And of course, I cannot rule out that this 5th wave maybe extends, right? I mean, that's possible, right? That could be. Because this looks like a diagonal, okay? So it's possible the 5th wave gives us an A, B, C. Well, what would happen then? Well, we would just come back into support and try again. It wouldn't really change anything. I mean, just be prepared for that. Therefore, I said we need a decisive break above this high at around 3.4 cents. But again, that can always happen, right? The market might always, try again. So remember, it's a meme coin. Obviously, meme coins are fragile. Structures can break easily. But to be honest, some of the meme coin structures in this cycle were among the best. So I think for now, all eyes on this breakout point here at 3.4 cents. And then the next key resistance is in the area around 3.9 cents. This is the 100% extension level up there, together with the previous swing high from the 18th of September. And that's a strong resistance level. What shouldn't happen, even if we dip back into support, what shouldn't happen anymore is a break below 2.77 cents. This would be potentially critical and problematic from a bullish point of view. But overall, it's looking promising. Let's see if momentum can intensify. It should do that if the 3rd wave is unfolding. And remember, this 3rd wave should also be a 5-wave move. Yeah, and that's the update on PENGU. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, and also if you want to participate in those Sunday live sessions, make sure you join our membership, join the MCO family. I'll leave a link in the description and comment section, also with a 50% discount code for your first month. You can check it out with low risk. And yeah, see you over there. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.